and somebody else, they were in a car traveling somewhere.
I'm so glad this story did not go the way I was afraid it would.
Oh my God.
Yes. Well.
Yeah, he's got a green arrow. Hey, check us out on his phone. Put your phone down, buddy. Put your phone down. Put your phone down. No, come on. Put your phone down.
Jag tror jag vet vad det här handlar om.
Har du körkort med dig?
Ja, i väskan.
Får jag se det?
F för...
Ja, visst.
Yes.
Yoink!
Om du ska komma lite fortare framåt trafiken så får du inte använda det här
Nej.
körsättet.
Jag visste det var dumt när jag gjorde det.
Ja,
Vackert väder, du vet.
det är ju vackert väder.
Ja, man blir så sugen. Men jag förstår till 100%.
Ja. Du får inga böter.
Vad sa du?
Du får inga böter.
Tack så mycket.
Men håll dig i
Jag ska. Inget mer sånt där dumt.
Det låter bra.
Tack. Jag uppskattar det jättemycket.
Ja.
Ha det bra.
Ha en trevlig sommar nu på 2 hjul.
Ja, det är samma.
Tackar.
Oh my God! Talk about being blessed. He was so cool about it. Oh my God. I know you didn't see in the video, so let me explain what happened. I was riding on, what is it called? Where, if you have an emergency, you usually pull up on the side of the road, you know? I don't know what it's called. It's not a lane. It's for emergencies. I was riding there to get past all of the traffic. Whoa, 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 whoa. And I was basically riding on this. You could basically say I was riding on that. And as I was doing that, I saw a cop motorcycle, and I was like, yeah, I'm but he was super cool about it. He checked my license plate, he checked my license, and he told me, if you want to get through faster, don't ride there. So he was super cool about it. I appreciate that so much. Oh my God, I thought I was gonna get a ticket. Oh my God, I was so... My heart was... Oh my God. Well, we made it this far. Might as well get a ticket now, I guess, you know? God damn. Oh my God. Yeah, we're driving in traffic now, boys. At least for a couple of hours before we start doing dumb shit again. And you know he was a cool cop because he didn't care about me having one mirror. He didn't care about my illegal exhaust. All he cared about was me being safe, and that's how cops should be, and that's an amazing cop. If I could stop breaking the law, I would, but good sir, I cannot. Thank God he didn't know about my YouTube channel. He's like, wait a second, I know that bike. 2 cameras? Oh, it's you. Oh, I see. Yeah.